Which day celebrated World Population Day?
A. May 11th. B. June 11th. C. July 11th. D. August 11th.
3, 2, 1, 0.
C. July 11th.
The first complete census taken in India is in the year
A. 1860. B. 1872. C. 1881. D. 1900.
3, 2, 1, 0.
C. 1881.
In India. Census is held regularly every year.
A. 5th. B. 8th. C. 10th. D. 12th.
3, 2, 1, 0.
C. 10th.
According to Census 2011, the male literacy rate in India
A. 82.14%. B. 81.14%. C. 83.14%. D. 84.14%.
3, 2, 1, 0.
A. 82.14%.
According to Census 2011, which is the least population state in India?
A. Goa. B. Sikkim. C. Nagaland. D. Arunachal Pradesh.
3, 2, 1, 0.
B. Sikkim.
Which of the following state of highest literacy rate according to Census 2011?
A. Lakshadweep. B. Goa. C. Mizoram. D. Kerala.
3, 2, 1, 0.
D. Kerala.
According to Census 2001, sex ratio is female per 1,000 males.
A. 943. B. 933. C. 923. D. 913.
3, 2, 1, 0.
A. 943.
Highest sex ratio according to Census 2011 is of which state?
A. Tamil Nadu. B. Kerala. C. Andhra Pradesh. D. Chhattisgarh.
3, 2, 1, 0.
B. Kerala.
Which of the following other states have the highest density km2 according to the Census 2011?
A. Pondicherry. B. Uttar Pradesh. C. Bihar. D. Chandigarh.
3, 2, 1, 0.
C. Bihar.
According to Census 2011, the child sex ratio was female per 1,000 males.
A. 919. B. 909. C. 929. D. 939.
3, 2, 1, 0.
A. 919.
According to Census 2011, number of literates in India is millions.
A. 767.5. B. 769.5. C. 765.5. D. 763.5.
3, 2, 1, 0.
D. 763.5.
The official enumeration of population done periodically is called
A. Census. B. Demographic count. C. Estimation. D. Record.
3, 2, 1, 0.
A. Census.
According to Census 2011, which state has lowest literacy rate in India?
A. Uttar Pradesh. B. Bihar. C. Lakshadweep. D. Mizoram.
3, 2, 1, 0.
B. Bihar.
According to Census 2011, density of population is persons per square km.
A. 412. B. 392. C. 382. D. 362.
3, 2, 1, 0.
C. 382.
According to Census 2011, the literacy rate of India is
A. 75.04%. B. 77.04%, C. 76.04%, D. 74.04%,
3, 2, 1, 0.
D. 74.04%.
Which state government decided to conduct a caste-based Kasana exercise ran census called the Jati Adhari Ganana exercise?
A. Rajasthan, B. Tripura, C. Bihar, D. Punjab,
3, 2, 1, 0.
C. Bihar.
Which of the following state has maximum literacy rate according to Census 2011?
A. Mizoram, B. Arunachal Pradesh, C. Bihar, D. Rajasthan.
3, 2, 1, 0.
A. Mizoram.
In India, the first census was held in the year?
A. 1872, B. 1860, C. 1900, D. 1920.
3, 2, 1, 0.
A. 1872.
As per the census of 2011, what is the annual growth rate in population of India from 2001 to 2011?
A. 2.16%, B. 2.22%, C. 1.97%, D. 1.64%,
3, 2, 1, 0.
D. 1.64%.
What is the sex ratio of India as per 2011 census?
A. 843 female per 1,000 male, B. 643 female per 1,000 male, C. 943 female per 1,000 male, D. 743 female per 1,000 male,
3, 2, 1, 0.
C. 943 female per 1,000 male.
In 2011 census, village literacy rate?
A. 69.0%, B. 66.77%, C. 67.0%, D. 67.77%,
3, 2, 1, 0.
B. 66.77%.
According to 2011 census, India's third language is?
A. Bengali, B. Marathi, C. Hindi, D. Tamil.
3, 2, 1, 0.
B. Marathi.
What is the percentage share of agricultural workers in India as per census 2011?
A. 54.6%, B. 64.6%, C. 44.6%, D. 55.6%,
3, 2, 1, 0.
D. 55.6%.
Census 2011 was which edition or number of Census of Independent India?
A. 5th, B. 6th, C. 7th, D. 9th,
3, 2, 1, 0.
C. 7th.
In how many languages will the 2021 census be conducted?
A. 12, B. 14, C. 16, D. 18,
3, 2, 1, 0.
C. 16.
According to Census 2011, how many districts are included?
A. 768, B. 670, C. 640, D. 276,
3, 2, 1, 0.
C. 640.
Which of the following state whose population growth rate has been negative according to 2011 census?
A. Nagaland, B. Tamil Nadu, C. Kerala, D. Goa.
3, 2, 1, 0.
A. Nagaland.
According to Census 2011, which state had highest decadal population growth rate?
A. Punjab, B. Bihar, C. Meghalaya, D. Chhattisgarh.
3, 2, 1, 0.
C. Meghalaya.
Which of the following state in India has the highest scheduled castes SC population?
A. Bihar. B. Uttar Pradesh. C. Tamil Nadu. D. None of these.
3, 2, 1, 0.
B. Uttar Pradesh.
According to 2011 census, which state with the lowest urban population in India?
A. Haryana. B. Mizoram. C. Sikkim. D. Andhra Pradesh.
3, 2, 1, 0.
C. Sikkim.
According to census 2011, what is the sex ratio in rural India?
A. 940. B. 949. C. 926. D. 919.
3, 2, 1, 0.
B. 949.
According to census 2011, which Union territory has the lowest population growth rate?
A. Lakshadweep. B. Delhi. C. Chandigarh. D. Andaman and Nicobar.
3, 2, 1, 0.
A. Lakshadweep.
According to the 2011 census, the total percentage of Muslim people in India is
A. 10.2%. B. 12.4%. C. 14.2%. D. 16.6%.
3, 2, 1, 0.
C. 14.2%.
According to 2011 census, which of the following districts is most literate district of India?
A. Kottayam. B. Serchhip. C. Shamphai. D. Ernakulam.
3, 2, 1, 0.
B. Serchhip.
Which are the top 3 states of India in terms of area?
A. Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra. B. Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra. C. Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Haryana. D. Rajasthan, Punjab, Chhattisgarh.
3, 2, 1, 0.
A. Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra.
Which are the top 3 states of India in terms of population?
A. Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra. B. Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Bihar. C. Rajasthan, Haryana, Maharashtra. D. Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, Kerala.
3, 2, 1, 0.
B. Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Bihar.
According to the 2011 census, what is the percentage of Indians still living in villages?
A. 60%. B. 75%. C. 68.8%. D. 80%.
3, 2, 1, 0.
C. 68.8%.
According to the 2011 census, what is the percentage of population of scheduled tribes in India?
A. 9.3%. B. 8.6%. C. 7.5%. D. 12.2%.
3, 2, 1, 0.
B. 8.6%.
According to 2011 census, which of the following is the largest religious minority community in India?
A. Muslim. B. Jain. C. Christian. D. Sikh.
3, 2, 1, 0.
A. Muslim.
Which year census is called the year of Great Divide?
A. 1911. B. 2011. C. 2001. D. 1921.
3, 2, 1, 0.
D. 1921.
According to 2011 census, what percentage of the geographical area of Madhya Pradesh is forest area?
A. 45.57%. B. 30.72%. C. 75.54%. D. 72.3%.
3, 2, 1,
B. 30.72%.
According to 2011 census, which city of India had the highest population?
A. Kolkata. B. Mumbai. C. Delhi. D. Chennai.
3, 2, 1, 0.
B. Mumbai.
According to 2011 census, what is the India's share in the total population of the world?
A. 11.5%. B. 17.7%. C. 25.5%. D. 12.5%.
3, 2, 1, 0.
B. 17.7%.
According to the 2011 census, what is the annual growth rate in India's population from 2001 to 2011?
A. 1.97%. B. 1.64%. C. 2.16%. D. 2.22%.
3, 2, 1, 0.
B. 1.64%.
According to the census 2011, after Hindi, which of the following languages is spoken by peoples in India?
A. Bengali. B. Tamil. C. Urdu. D. Marathi.
3, 2, 1, 0.
A. Bengali.
Density-wise highest, lowest.
State Bihar, Arunachal Pradesh, UT Delhi, Andaman and Nicobar. District Northeast Delhi, Dibang Valley.
Literacy rate-wise highest, lowest.
State Kerala, Bihar, UT Lakshadweep, Dadra and Nagar Hall. District Serchhip, Alarajpur. City Aizawl, Sambal.
Sex ratio highest, lowest.
State Kerala, Haryana, UT Puducherry, Danam and Diu. District Mahi, Daman. City Kozhikode, Bhiwandi.
Literacy rate.
Overall 74.04%. Men 82.14%. Women 65.46%.
Population-wise highest, lowest.
State Uttar Pradesh, Sikkim, UT Delhi, Lakshadweep. District Thane, Dibang Valley, Arunachal Pradesh. City Mumbai, Kapurthala. Thanks for watching Brain Boost YT classes.